I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Iron Golem XP farm. First, you'll need to gather specific resources, including at least 20 beds and 10 villagers. Begin by constructing a raised platform, ideally 10 blocks above the ground, to prevent golems from spawning below. Protect your villagers from hostile mobs, especially zombies, by enclosing them securely. This initial setup is crucial for the farm's efficiency and safety. Next, arrange your 20 beds within a small, enclosed chamber. Position at least 10 villagers inside this chamber, ensuring they can all pathfind to a bed. This establishes a village. Around this central chamber, construct a large, flat spawning platform, at least 16 by 16 blocks, where iron golems will appear. Make sure the platform is well lit to prevent other hostile mobs from spawning. Now, design a water flow system on your spawning platform to push the iron golems towards a central collection point. This point should lead to a drop shaft. At the bottom of the shaft, create a killing chamber. You can use a lava blade, positioned 3 blocks above the ground, or a fall damage trap to eliminate the golems. This method ensures you collect all the iron and experience orbs. To activate your farm, confirm that all villagers are properly linked to their beds and have access to a workstation. Double-check that there are no other villages within a 64-block radius, as this can interfere with golem spawning. Once everything is set, iron golems should begin to spawn, providing a steady stream of iron and experience. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Regular maintenance ensures optimal performance and consistent resource generation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.